everyone, my name is Ray and today is June 1st and I'm starting my mindful menu again. For about 2 months I decided to eat the way I was eating before to kind of showcase something, and I really have some bad allergies right now, which seem to manifest after eating the way that I used to eat in the past. So today's June 1st. I went back to meatless, not processed foods, and the majority of any kind of sugar that I take in is going to be from pure confectionery type candies, or my preferred sweet input would be fruit, like blueberries, raspberries, etc. Now, I'm going to start a new segment. I've already presented a segment to you called 30 Days of Health, and that was recorded back in November, on November the 2nd of 2019. Now here we are on June 1st of 2020, and this is a new segment where you can see I want to sneeze so bad. You can hear it. This is me typically in the past, even when I was getting allergy shots to treat this. So I want to talk about a new series, not just the 30 Days of Health of when I was maintaining it, but what it was like to struggle through going through these challenges again after reverting to former practices, which can be highly addictive, by the way. I anticipate that there will be some challenges. I weigh 227 pounds today. That's about 15 pounds, roughly, more than my resting average, which can fluctuate about 10 pounds depending on what I'm in the proximity of. And in other words, about 203 is my lowest weight, and 213 is about where I settle at. So to be at 227 is kind of a little high for me. Hey, thanks for asking. I'm in this new corner. I'll call it Ray's Crazy Corner. And I basically added a whiteboard here so that we could talk about certain things. Again, this is June 1st. I want to start the new segment after getting some sleep, but first I wanted to at least capture how I feel on day one of getting back into gear. And so we'll be talking soon about some of the most effective ways to restore our health. And the first feature that I want to talk about is our sleep. Our sleep quality can drastically affect our health, and that's basically what I'll be talking about on tomorrow's segment of whatever I happen to call this show. So in the meantime, this is Ray's Crazy Corner. I've got a whiteboard. You can see a couple of guitars here. If I grab them, they can electrocute me because they're hooked up to, I'm just kidding, none of that part is actually true. But in the meantime, if you have not already, and because this series is going to be so fun, and because all of my other series are so fun as well, click on the subscribe button and be sure to share my content if you enjoy it, or even if you don't enjoy it and you think that there's someone else who might benefit from hearing this kind of insight from a unique perspective. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace.